Hi guys, Peter, not your average guy. I'm ready to make my first flight with the Mavic Air. And I am gonna attach the big tablet because I want to see where I'm going. One thing I'm not gonna do is record the screen because I had a lot of trouble lately with the screen recording. The entire telemetry would freeze. I would see the video feed, but everything else, no. I am recording the screen with this camera, so if necessary, I can take it from there. I'm gonna launch the drone, turn around a little bit, and then I'm going that direction. And I think I immediately want to do a range test. I want to see how far I can get on the first flight. Why not? Because when I know the limits, then I know what I can and can't do. So I'm gonna record this. Osmo here, I have my Hooke audio here for 3D audio, and let's launch the drone. Let's do precision takeoff. Okay, put the camera down a little bit, going up a little bit more, like this. And let's have a look around, okay? Gotta get used to the sticks. So this is the village. The sun is shining very nice. So now you know where I am. Okay, I'm not in sports mode right now, and this is the direction that I'm going. Let's just see how things are going. It's 2.4 gigahertz. I couldn't find any feature for 5.8 in the settings. It's a nice landscape like this, a little bit of fields and orchards. That's how it looks like. Some sheds, guess. Weak signal after 900 meters, so I'm gonna walk up here. The signal gets better. And there's Wi-Fi in the house and in these houses, of course, so that plays a role. 1300 meters, that's good. And by the way, I plan to do another video like the previous one at home, where I was just philosophizing a lot and having drone footage on top of it. But I just didn't find time to get it right. And then the Mavic Air came. $1,700 meters. I don't know exactly what it said it would have, what kind of range. I thought it was like 2 kilometers or 2 miles, I don't know. 77% battery, more than enough. It's early in the morning. If the drone gets lost, I have time enough to find it. More than 2 kilometers, and the signal is still very good. Actually, that's the icon for the sensors. It's pretty good. Good enough. I'm going a little bit higher because I think the landscape is getting a little bit higher here. And you'll get a better signal when you are flying higher. 2.5 kilometers. Very good. Now I'm losing signal. I'm getting it back, losing it, getting it back. I'm gonna have my antennas higher, like this. I can get 3 kilometers maybe. Yeah. Now I'm losing signal. Yeah. Okay, I just didn't completely. I'm gonna cancel. Return to home. Come on. Cancel. Return to home. Well, it doesn't. Yes, it does. And then turn around. Like that. And see if I can reach 3 kilometers. No.
No signal.
Yeah, I got it. To 900.
No signal.
Yeah, okay, 3 kilometers. We did it. Let's see how far I can get. Maybe go up a little bit more.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Right. You see, I go a little bit higher and I can get a lot further.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Okay.
Go home.
Okay, almost 3.5 kilometers. It's like 3,400 and something. And at the same time running out of battery. So it's coming home now. And now we have to hope that the calculations for the battery and the return to home feature from DJI is going to be good. And it will get back here. So let's see where it is. Three kilometers. There's little wind, little to no wind. You can see that from this tree, it's just not moving at all. So that means it should be able to return to home easily with the remaining battery, but on the screen it doesn't say so. 1900 meters. And it doesn't say how much battery I have left. Yeah, now you can see the age from returning home is before how many flight time you have left. And that's good, because that means it has enough or more than enough to return to home. I think I can descend a little bit. All looks good. I can see the apartments nearby. I think I'm gonna put the camera up a little bit. And here's the other buildings and the terrace. I can see my house. I can hear it. Okay, I will entirely leave it up to, I can see it, up to this thing now, because it had precision landing on, so it should be able to land exactly where it lifted up. It's more to the left currently.
Landing.
And there are pigeons circling around the drone. Oh, now it's right above me. It's going, yeah. It tries to find the location, I guess. Not suitable for landing. Well, then I have to do it manually. Mission accomplished. All was very good. It worked out well. I have 22% battery left. It's more than enough. And now I have to look at the footage and see how that is. Nice. 3.5 kilometers almost. Very good. Next thing I'm going to try is, I also brought the Phantom. I'm going to do exactly the same mission with the Phantom 4 Pro, in the next video. If you want to see it, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will be happy to receive your comments and suggestions and whatever.